Good day everybody, hope you're all well. So, as you probably saw by the title, got a new shell. So for those who are new and haven't seen this, so the car we originally bought, the shell was a cut and shut. We wasn't told that, obviously we got done over. And well, the only way to salvage the project was to buy a replacement shell, which is what we've done. It's a 5-door, pretty much same year. Difference being this one's got the 1.8 valve engine in it with a Weber carb, which does run really well, which is a bonus. It's got the 4-branch manifold and all the little goodies on it, which is fantastic. Obviously it's not the diesel engine that was in the original one, which is what made the car, but it looks like I am going to have to try and sell that now. So if anyone wants a DP 130 engine with hybrid turbo and all that, then please comment below and get in touch. Because obviously I will need to recoup money now to obviously, because I've had to pay out for another shell. So it's what it is, but we're still going with the same colour scheme and everything else. But what I'll do, I'll turn this around and then I'll go through the car with you. Okay, so under here we haven't touched. We've just got the engine running, it runs smooth, which is great. Just needs a good clean under here. We put a new battery in it and so forth. But technically speaking, there's not a lot to do under it. The engine runs really good, like I say. So the only thing we need to do really is give it a service and fit some new fuel lines because, well, it's a bit long, isn't it? So we are going to replace all of these lines here and the ones that go down to there as well. Obviously put some new ones on. And the blue line here, which seems to happen on all my Golfs, but it was really brittle at the back and it actually broke. So I am going to, it's a stainless steel 5/16 one you can get. So I am going to fit that in here as well, just so that is a peace of mind and that is done obviously for future. It's got a new radiator, it's got a new fan, new clutch cable. So it has had money spent on it. I do need to buy a new one of them or either go to a catch can, don't know yet. Camber and all that's been done. So my wife has fitted her grille from that one over there, and we've taken all the wings off, so I had to do a repair here yesterday. I will upload some pictures now. So that was that repair. It just come out pretty well. So we've seam sealed it and undersealed it as well. And then what I've done, I drilled 2 holes in the repair panel and with some new bolts, new washers for the hinges. So the strength's going to be there. So we have no issues with that. And there was a little one down there. But that's that all crossed off, that's done. So the pink wings, which we've taken off this. Noise lorry. So the pink wings we have taken off, so that can go back on soon. But before that goes on, I do need to do the scuttle repair, so we might have a new windscreen coming. Well, we need to get one anyway. And then I've got the repair panel, and then I can cut that out and do it. Hopefully it'll only be that corner that I need to do, and it'll be the same the other side. But walking down here, so the pink doors are on. So obviously we do need to paint the side skirt. Now the wife is going to do something slightly different with the actual paint on this. So she's going to do like a half one colour, half the other. She doesn't want it to represent the car it was, because yeah, it was a cut and shut, and it's, you know, it's done us over, so we don't want to represent that. We want to do our own thing. So the front end's all going to be pink, but the rear end and the roof's going to be slightly something different. But I'll let her just, you know, talk through that when the time comes. You can see she started sanding down, and unfortunately they stick a bomb to the roof, so that's been a bit of a pig to remove. The rear end is really good. There is a bit of a dent around the badge area, so we do need to obviously just do a slight repair there. This side, again, doors are on. Well, apart from that one, we'll get to that in a minute. I do need to try and hammer this lip in. It's obviously been bent out where they've had wider wheels on, so I do just need, again, it's just a tidying up procedure. It's nothing major. But again, all the seals are good. So there's not a lot. There's one little bit of welding needs to be done, which is just under there where it's the little bracket goes for the fuel lines. So when I do the fuel lines, I drop the tank and I'll do that little repair. It's literally tiny, probably that sort of size. and that's the chassis done. The chassis is very, very good on this. Obviously it comes with some nice seats as well. Steering wheel needs to be changed. We got that. She's got a new keep smiling gear knob, but yeah, she's got all her door cards, the black head lining from that car over there, so everything on the inside is done. That's good to go. It's got coilovers on it already. The coilovers which were on that car have gone on the Jetta, but again with the Jetta I might have to sell that again to recoup funds for this, because obviously that's cost us a fortune. But this has got new coilovers on anyway, brakes are new, everything's all hunky-dory underneath, so that's a bonus. Obviously you need a new window screen, it's cracked, but that works in our favour anyway, because I need to do the scuttle repair, because obviously it's gone there and it's gone there. So again, I'll probably end up just changing that corner. What I'm doing down here, which I do need to crack on because it looks like it's going to pour it down. So I fitted again this panel here, because there was a hole there. So again, I've put a new nut and washer, and that studs rotten, so I'm going to weld around that. So yeah, so I've got to make it up. I'm going to get all that welded in. Then I need to put a panel or a plate up there, and then this bit I need to bend that back in, and then I'm going to make a plate from that and curved round to attach to that. So again, it's got the strength. And then I need to do this box section, and get that in there, and then I can come in. I'm going to probably take a cut off the other shell for this bit, and then that curves around and then also goes around there as well. So the strength's going to be kept in, so I'm just doing a bit at a time, just yeah, so that we can keep the strength there and it's done tidily. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put you on a stand because it's coming over black, and I'm going to crack on welding, which before yeah, the heavens open up, as that's going to cause us all sorts of grief. If I can get this to work, he says. I need to get the door off.